Dumbbells are versatile fitness equipment that are perfect for women looking to tone and strengthen their muscles. There are many products available to choose dumbbells for women, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best dumbbells for women from reputable brands. After much research, I found those products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Adjustable Dumbbells Hand Weight Set. The Sportneer adjustable dumbbells offer a versatile weight range from 2 to 5 pounds for each dumbbell, allowing you to easily adjust your workout intensity. With a unique 4-in-1 design, these dumbbells feature 0.5-pound plates, ensuring precise weight adjustments to match your training needs. You can switch weights quickly, enhancing your workout efficiency and keeping your routine dynamic. Their compact design makes them easy to store, saving you space and money on additional equipment. Perfect for home workouts, these dumbbells cater to a variety of exercises targeting different muscle groups. Number 2. FireDone Adjustable Dumbbell Set. The FireDone adjustable dumbbells are designed to enhance your workout experience. With a quick adjustment feature, you can effortlessly change weights from 2 to 10 pounds in just 1 second, keeping your routine seamless. This set offers 5 different weight options, allowing you to tailor your workout for toning, fat burning, or strength building. The comfortable grip ensures you maintain control during even the most intense sessions, thanks to the soft material and texture handle. Plus, their compact design means you can easily store them or take them wherever you go, making it simple to stay fit anytime, anywhere. Number 3. Zempox Adjustable Dumbbell Set. Zempox Women's Dumbbell Set is designed specifically for women, featuring a comfortable TPU soft rubber handle in pink, blue, black, or purple colors. With adjustable weights from 2 to 5 pounds, you can easily customize your workout intensity. The TPU soft rubber handles provide a secure grip, even during sweaty workouts. These compact dumbbells are suitable for home, office, or gym use, catering to various exercise needs. Additionally, they make a unique and practical gift for fitness enthusiasts. Number 4. Adjustable Weight Dumbbell Set. The Glaucus Adjustable Dumbbell Set is a versatile and convenient home gym equipment for women and teens. With the ability to adjust the weight from 2 pounds to 5 pounds, these dumbbells offer the equivalent of having 4 different dumbbells in one. This makes them suitable for all training styles and perfect for family members with different training levels. The adjustable feature allows for quick and easy weight changes in just 1 second, without any noise or shaking. The dumbbells are designed for comfort, with a comfortable grip that can be easily held by small hands and a small size that adapts to any workout routine. Made with a strong and durable ABS outer shell and stainless steel interior, these dumbbells not only look good but also provide a premium quality workout experience. Glaucus Sports offers excellent customer service and a return or exchange service for customer satisfaction. Number 5. 5 pounds Weights Dumbbell Set. The Zempox Dumbbell Set is designed specifically for women, offering comfort and versatility in your workouts. With quick weight adjustments ranging from 2 to 5 pounds, you can easily tailor your exercise intensity to suit your needs. The handles are crafted from TPU soft rubber, providing a secure grip that is especially helpful during intense sessions. Compact and portable, these dumbbells are perfect for home workouts, office exercises, or yoga classes, making it easy to stay active wherever you are.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.